In this video, we explain the structure of the configuration PDF, which you can directly generate on the project overview page. At the top of the document, you find all data about the user who generated the PDF. Directly below you find the important configuration number, the project name and the date of creation. The following list shows all collected articles of the project with detailed information. You find a preview picture, the reference number and an item description. Further, you find item information which the user can add in the editor mode. That means in which room and in which floor is the article located. Also, there is a short information about the inscription process and the file name, which is important for the factory process. On the right you find the amount of articles you want to order. If you scroll further down, you will get an overview of all created products. The overview shows all article numbers of the selected products, the quantity of the single articles and the quantity of products with the same inscription. The file number for the factory process is also repeated. If you can confirm that all inscriptions and quantities are correctly displayed, you can forward this configuration PDF to your distributor to order the products.